Hey guys, old Pa here, about 7 o'clock Friday. Just kind of finished up in the old shanty there. Just wanted to go over this delimber a little bit. I was watching Alex here with that Dansco, and Alex might come out and help us out for a couple weeks or whatever. If they got to shut down because of fire season. So I kind of wanted to make this little video basically for him, but whatever, for everybody. You might find it a little bit interesting. This is a IDT 3000 CSI self-contained delimber, okay? And I use this in conjunction with my my shovel, which is getting some repairs done to it. Well, I needed repairs. We've abused it for a while. But anyway, this is a CSI delimber, and basically it's just like a set of draw knives. I'll go around back. It's got a little 4-cylinder turbocharged John Deere in it. I can't think of the numbers on it. What is it, a 4245 or something? I can't think of it right now, but somebody will correct me, I'm sure. But so anyway, it's got air brakes on it, to help it stop, when you're towing it. And then you fold those lights up, bolt it back up. There's your bar, and there's your knives. And as you can see, that saw is kind of in the way, but those knives pull right down small, and then they open up nice and wide. So whatever, like if you can see, like, let me get my fat finger in the way, like from there over to here is, it'll take a big tree. I mean, we do some big hemlock with this thing, and it works good. Now they've got these all sharpened up. We hit these with the grinder. You can see that sharp edge right here. That's all basically a knife, so it'll shear some limbs too. And then these are just, actually, you can sharpen them with a grinder. And you don't have to make them razor sharp, but get them decent sharp so they pull the off, But it works as like a planer knife. These fold, so when you want to put them down, you fold them out, put them down, and then fold them up. Now this one's weeped off a little bit, but you fold them up, and then it's legal width. So, and here's your fuel tank. It's got a pretty good sized fuel tank. It'll run like 3 days on fuel, on a fill. There's a couple covers missing. I think it works really good. There's the, this is the levers. I don't know if you can see them in there. Probably not. But there's a 4-spool valve in there. 4-spool valve in there that controls the outriggers. And then right here is your control panel. There's your start. I don't know if it, for some reason it's dead. I don't know if something must be killing the power a little bit. But anyway, there's your control panel, and everything's got what they call a tattletale system on it, which if it overheats, if it's low on oil, low on hydraulic oil, it'll shut down. So into the pumps. And your radio's in here. The radio control device is right here. I'll show you here. Let me open this door. This is all remote controlled. And there's your radio controller unit right there. Now this is a closed circuit one. It's a pretty good one. I bought this controller. Spent like $3,500 on a new controller. But anyway, those are the tether wires that go back and run everything. And then here's your all your air lines and electric cord for your truck, and then of course it's a pedal ring. So that's how you move her, and you can start it up. You start it up and put your front outriggers down, and it'll raise that up, to the right distance, and then you just back your truck into it and hook her up, and down the road you go. And my buddy Wes over here has got all kinds of dump truck crap going on here. He's trying to make a couple sight or a sight truck or something, and then he rolled his triaxle on a sight load stuck in it and ground giveaway, and it bent it all up. So he's scrapping off the body. I'm gonna make a deal on the rest of the truck. It's got a set of heavy rear ends, and it's got a nice mechanical 4 1/4. I finally got Kimmy's bucket line board. Look at that. I just brought it yesterday back. We got all new pins and bushings. See that? Ain't that nice? And we got to put, not Kimmy, I'm sorry, the JCB. We got to put the new bucket on it. Get her tightened up. But I'm going to plumb a grapple on this too, so we can use it for loading and sorting and bucking and stuff. Because, ooh, look at that. Nice piece of plate steel he tore out of the body. Yeah, this little girl's seen better days. He twisted her up, man. There's little Larry Loader. I think that was around when Jesus was born. I'm not quite sure. I think it's a 78 G10. Runs like a top gear motor in it. Well, I put it in about 5 years ago, but we don't use it that much. Just a little old spare loader if we need one around here. It's chunky. It's chunky. Yeah, unfortunately, Wesley done this up, man. But it's got a good motor. The thing runs like a bear. It's a B, 4 1/4 B, but you can juice them up pretty nice, you know. So the cab's nice on that thing. It's all aluminum. Would make a pretty good tractor, actually. Just snip her off right there somewhere, and you know. But it's got a lot of good parts on it. I think I'm gonna make him an offer on it. What do we got over here? We got our fill thing pretty much done over here. Not quite, but almost. There's enough material here to blend it in. So, you get the slope mulched. I will level this up some more and top dress it with some stone. Here's my old Witzco, my 3-axle. We just put tires on, well, we did, it had bias tires on it. It was brand new when I got it. It was like, 15 years old, and the thing never got used. Those are the original tires. So anyway, we just put radials on this axle and radials on this axle, and I've got 4 new tires in there to do this axle. Then it'll have all good tires on it, because those old bias, they work, but they were getting pretty shabby. So I got new planks coming. Got to replank it. And I'm going to try and get it painted too before winter. Sandblast it and paint it. I got a guy who does that stuff. He can get a pretty good price. Check this out. Look at this. This is a treasure, isn't it? I'll tell you why I bought this. This has a 24 valve Cummins in it. Check it out. It needs a fuel pump. But whatever. Supposed to run, but it needs a fuel pump. But look what's here. It has a Allison transmission, okay, and the Allison automatic transmission is plumbed up to that Cummins. So I'm all excited. I'm going to yank this engine and transmission out, and I am going to put it in an F450 Super Duty that I have. I think I've shown you guys a video of that. Anyway, it's an old FedEx truck, but the Ford I got, that Super Duty, it's a 6-wheel drive crew cab Super Duty, and it's nice. It's a nice truck. And I'm going to put that brand new utility body that I dug out of the barn on it. So lots of projects, man. Always projects. Well, here's another 210. That one, something popped in the motor in that one. Freaking motor run good too. I don't know what happened. I think we popped a piston skirt or something in it. Something else for Marv to fix. Alright guys, I'll let you go. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll try and do something, put something up over the weekend. So, alright guys. Oh hey, I think we got our hats and stuff too. I'll let everybody know. Thanks guys. Have a good weekend. Ta-ta!